Hi, today I want to talk about plugins. In WordPress, plugins allows you to extend the functionality of your WordPress website with just a few clicks. To illustrate how this works in practice, I will show you how to find a specific plugin and then install and modify it on your website. So let's get straight onto it. The first thing I want you to do is to hover over plugins and click on add new. In this section you will see a bunch of different plugins that is being recommended by the WordPress per default. You can also see that you may automatically install plugins for the WordPress plugin directory or even upload a plugin in zip format. Now, the zip format is a little bit special case because you are actually downloading the plugin from an external website, while in the WordPress plugin directory you are downloading the plugin direct from the WordPress, which is in terms of security a little bit more safe than just downloading a plugin from an unknown website and installing it on your website. You could simply expose your website to vulnerability and hacker attacks. However, I will not discuss this in this lecture. So there are two ways to find the plugin I'm looking for. The first one is to simply type the search phrase I'm looking for in the search plugins box, or even clicking on the WordPress plugin directory and then search for the plugin from there. However, I'm gonna make stuff easy for myself and I'm gonna just go ahead and type in the search phrase in this box instead. So in this case, I'm looking for a simple contact form plugin. So I'm gonna just go ahead and type in contact form and then hit enter. The results bring us a bunch of different plugins, and if you are new to WordPress, it can be really tricky to understand which plugin is the best for your purpose. The first thing I recommend doing is to click on the recommended link and wait for the WordPress to bring back the results. Things are getting better now because suddenly you can see that there is a plugin named Contact Form 7 that seems to be a really good catch. For example, it has 1 million active installs. It has over 800 reviews, 4.5 stars out of the maximum 5, which is really good. And it was also updated 1 month ago. Plus, it is compatible with the version of the WordPress we are using. So in this case, the Contact Form 7 seemed to be a really perfect fit for our website. Sure, there are other plugins as well that are probably equally good, like the WP Super Cache or Yoast SEO. But I will just go ahead and install this one, which is the Contact Form 7. So click on the Install Now button. And in just a few seconds, you will get a message from WordPress telling us that it has been downloading the installing package from a specific URL for this plugin, unpacked the package, installed the plugin, and also successfully installed the Contact Form 7.4 version. Now, before this plugin actually becomes available on our website and before we can use it, you need to click on the Activate Plugin link. And once you click on this link, you will get a message for this plugin stating that it is activated, and you know this by looking at this link. If it is stating deactivate, then it means that the plugin is actually ready to use. So next I'm gonna demonstrate how to actually embed this plugin on a specific page on your website, so stay tuned. Before you can use the Contact Form 7 plugin, we always need to start by looking at the settings. So if I click on the settings of this plugin, I'm gonna be taken to another page, and in most cases each plugin has a specific short code. In this case, the short code for the Contact Form 1, which is automatically generated by the Contact Form 7 plugin, is the one you see below. So make sure you copy paste this code and then hover over the pages and click on add new. Here I'm gonna create a specific page named contact page, and in the body of the page I'm gonna paste the code I copied in the previous section of the Contact Form 7 plugin. So I'm gonna go ahead and paste this short code, and this is basically what you need to do. In order to see how the plugin is going to look alike on your page before you publish it, make sure you click on the preview button first. So here is the Contact Form 7 plugin, and you are pretty much ready to go. If you would like to, I'm gonna just go ahead and click on publish first in order to make this plugin available on our site. If you would like to make some further customizations of the Contact Form 7 plugin, click on the installed plugins in the plugin section and then click on the settings. Here you can play around with this plugin by clicking on the edit link, which will make it possible for you to edit different strings, like your name. You might wish to have your first name, for example, the email address, subject, your message, and the name of the button from send to something else. There are also other customization you can do here, but I will not cover this because I consider this being out of scope of this lecture. But I just want to show you how powerful plugins are actually, and that you can in just a few minutes create an awesome contact form, for example, that might take you hours to code and properly format if you were doing it from the scratch. Alright, this was it for this lecture. Now stay tuned as we move further.